बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अना सईदन जद्दन अन तकूनु ज़ियारत अल-ख़ारिजिया अल-ऊला बाद इंतख़ाबी रईसुल वज़रा पाकिस्तान इलल मुमलिकत अल-अरबिया as-Saudiya Shaqiqa. I am delighted that after assumption of office as the Prime Minister of Pakistan, my first visit abroad is to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This reflects the high importance that Pakistan attaches to its special relationship with Saudi Arabia, which is historic in nature and strategic in significance. I am grateful to the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman, for his gracious invitation for the visit. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia are bound by deep-rooted and abiding fraternal ties, which are built on the solid foundation of mutual trust and mutual support. The people of Pakistan hold the custodian of the two holy mosques in the highest esteem. We are profoundly grateful to Saudi Arabia for its consistent support to Pakistan in its difficult hours. For its part, Pakistan has always stood by Saudi Arabia and will always stand shoulder to shoulder with our Saudi brethren.